Hi, baby. This is my old 16-inch Axelson that we rebuilt. Don got it all painted up and redid all the face plates on it. And this is what we've been using to thread that god-awful bronze nut. And this is the one that I've been making the new screw for. I have the same exact model sitting in my shop right now, being rebuilt. And I misplaced this dadgum screw, so I got him to pull it out of his, and I made this new one for it. His was kind of chewed up, so I made one for him too. And this is how this works. Now this is the gib. It's a tapered gib that goes in, and depending on how deep you put it into this recess, depends on how tight it gets in here and the play that top has. So this goes in right like this into that slot in the gib, and then it disappears into this hole, and you screw it. Get it started. Come on, get in there. Y'all aren't even watching. The screwdriver's bent. Anyway, as you get it started, there we go. As you screw it in, you can do fine adjustments. It's even better with a bent screwdriver. Nice kidding. So you see there, you go in and you tighten it up to where it slides just right. And that's what you got going on there. Now, this was the old screw. Came out of it. It was all splayed open. Somebody cranked down on that, and that slot's bigger than it needs to be. You know, this is a very fine adjustment. But they put that one in, and it's bent it out of the way. People have been cranking down. It was bent. The reason that happened is because the people started messing with that little screw in there. You'll see it in there. Without loosening these side screws. And this is what holds it in place. There's 3 of them. This just adjusts it, and then this locks it in place. Well, they started cranking on it and bent that all to pieces because they didn't know to unscrew it. So always unlock the locking screws before you screw around. Bye, baby. Pretty soon your brother over at my place is going to be looking just this nice. As soon as I get through with the Bridgeport and the 10E and I think the grinder. No, the grinder's already in working. So Bridgeport, 10E, then you. Then you do a nice job. He's already done the plates for the other one, so looking slick. Axelson 16-inch. Arguably one of the finest lathes ever made. So fine, an unnamed company bought them out. Well, they've got a name. I just don't care for their name. Because of what they did. They bought Axelson out and shut them down a year later. Axelson was very innovative. Things like this side-mounted, things like 2 speeds. Pull it out, go slow, push it in, goes fast. Over here, this is a stop for the cross feed. You can set this up, put it in gear, and it'll go to any place you set a stop. so you can repeat the stop easily. You know, little things like that make a big difference. I love my tailstocks. I've had 4 Axelsons over the years. Right now in the shop there's a 16 and then a 20-inch. The 20-inch will never leave. The 16, I'm running out of floor space. I don't know what I want to do. We'll see. Thanks for watching.